Unpacking the phrase, packing our bags, a journey into English idioms. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore a common English phrase, packing our bags. This phrase is not only about preparing luggage for a trip. It carries deeper meanings and nuances in different contexts. So, let's unpack this phrase together and understand how it can be used in everyday English. The phrase, packing our bags, primarily refers to the literal action of putting clothes, items, and essentials into bags, typically in preparation for a journey or trip. It's a straightforward action that most of us have done at some point. For example, I'm packing my bags for my vacation next week. Subsection 2.1. Preparing for a new adventure or change. Metaphorically, packing our bags can symbolize preparing for a new phase or adventure in life. This could be a career change, moving to a new city, or starting a new chapter. It implies readiness and anticipation for what's coming. For instance, after graduation, I'm packing my bags for a new adventure in Europe. Subsection 2.2. Ending something or leaving. Conversely, this phrase can also signify the end of an experience or a relationship. It suggests a conclusion and a departure from the current situation. When someone says, "I think it's time to pack our bags," it could mean they are ready to move on from a job, relationship, or place. Subsection 3.1. In movies and literature. In movies and literature, packing our bags is often depicted as a turning point in a story. It can mark the beginning of an adventure or the end of a character's journey in a particular setting. It's a visual and emotional cue for change. Subsection 3.2. In everyday conversations. In daily conversations, this phrase can be used both humorously and seriously. It might be said in a light-hearted way, like when planning a vacation, or more seriously, like when considering major life decisions. Packing our bags is more than just filling luggage. It's a versatile phrase rich in meaning and context. It can symbolize beginnings, endings, and transitions in life. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. Keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn is a step forward in your language journey. See you in our next video.